Good morning student. How are you? Today we are going to learn about Unit 1 Shapes and Space. Student, we see many different type of shapes around us. Some common shapes have name. Our first shape is circle. Okay? Spelling of circle, C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. Circle has no corner and no side. Okay? Example of square is coin means sikke, and bangles. Okay? Now, second step is triangle. This is triangle. Spelling of triangle, T-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. Triangle has 3 corners and 3 sides. Okay, this is one side, 2 side and 3 side, and corner is 1 corner, 2 corner and 3 corner. Okay, example of triangle is samosa and triangular flag. Triangular flag. Triangular flag means like. Okay. Now, next step is square. Student, square has 4 sides and 4 corners. This is 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. Okay? And 4 corner, 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corner. Square has all sides are equals. Okay? इसके चारों कोने बराबर होते हैं. Example of square is bread, carrom board. Etc. Okay? Now, our next shape is rectangle. R-E-C-T-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. This is rectangle. Student, rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. 4 sides and 4 corners. But all sides of rectangle are not equal in length. Student, this is length and this is breadth. This side and this side equal, and this side and this side is equal. 4 side, one side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. And corner is 1 corner, 2 corner, 3 corner and 4 corner. Students, rectangle has opposite side are equals. Okay? Example of rectangle is like table and duster. Okay? Now, next step is oval shape. This is oval. Spelling of oval, O-V-A-L, oval. And oval has no side and no corners. No sides and no corner. Okay. Example of oval is an egg. Okay.
Now student, our next topic is inside and outside. Inside means अंदर and outside means बाहर. See this picture carefully student. Which picture show the bird outside the house? Encircle the number. Tell me student, which bird outside the hut? This? Yeah, this? Yes. This picture. The bird is outside the hut. Okay. So encircle the correct option. Okay. Now student, our second example is, which picture show the teddy bear outside the box? Encircle the number. इस पिक्चर में आपको बताना है कि टेडी बियर, किस पिक्चर में टेडी बियर आउटसाइड द बॉक्स है. दिस या दिस वन? यस, दिस पिक्चर. ओके. तो टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके. Our next example is, which picture show the fruity inside the jar? Encircle the number. See student, which picture show the fruity inside the jar? This या this one? Yes, this is correct option. Okay. So circle the correct option. Okay. Now our next topic is bigger and smaller. Bigger means बड़ा and smaller means छोटा. Okay. I will compare only two objects at a time, not more than two objects. So we have to use word bigger and smaller. Okay. See the next example. Tick the bigger. Okay. आपको यहाँ bigger बताना है. तो which is the bigger? Elephant या rabbit? Yes, elephant is the bigger one. तो tick the correct option. Now second example is, tick right the smaller. आपको यहाँ smaller बताना है. Okay. So which one is the smaller? Cow या sheep? Yes, sheep is smaller. So tick the correct option. Okay. Now our next topic is biggest and smallest. Okay. Biggest means सबसे बड़ा and smallest means सबसे छोटा. Okay. तो यहाँ पे आपको टिक राइट द बिगेस्ट. आपको इसमें बिगेस्ट पिक्चर पर बताना है कि सबसे बिगेस्ट कौन सा है. स्कूटर, स्कूल बस या कार? यस, स्कूल बस इज द बिगेस्ट. ओके. तो टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नाउ सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज, टिक राइट द स्मॉलेस्ट. स्मॉलेस्ट मीन्स सबसे छोटा. तो विच इज द स्मॉलेस्ट? माउस, लायन या कैट? यस, माउस इज अ स्मॉलेस्ट वन. तो टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. ओके. Now student, our next topic is top and bottom. Okay. Top means ऊपर and bottom means नीचे. Okay. See this question carefully student. Where is the boy? The boy is top of the building. And where is the man? The man is bottom of the building. Okay? See another example. Where is the bird? The bird is top of the tree. And where is the dog? The dog is bottom of the tree. Okay? Now student, you have to tell me. Tick right the butterfly at the top of the tree. Tell me student, which butterfly is at the top of the tree? This? Yeah, this? Yes. This bird is top of the tree. Okay. Now, one another example. Tick right the boy at the top of the stair. Stair means CD. This one? Yeah, this one? Yes. This boy is bottom of the stair. So tick the correct option. Okay. Student, our next topic is nearest and farthest. Nearest means सबसे पास and farthest means सबसे दूर. Okay. Now, tick right the tree nearest to the house and cross the tree farthest from the house. Okay. आपको इस पिक्चर में बताना है कि इस हाउस के सबसे नियरेस्ट कौन सा ट्री है एंड सबसे फारेस्ट कौन सा ट्री है. विच ट्री इज द नियरेस्ट टू द हाउस? दिस या दिस? यस, दिस ट्री इज द नियरेस्ट टू द हाउस. तो टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. एंड विच ट्री इज द फारेस्ट फ्रॉम द हाउस? This या this one? Yes, this one. So tick the correct option. Okay. Now, next example is tick right the bird farthest from the tree and cross the bird nearest to the tree. Which bird farthest from the tree? This या this? Yes, this bird is nearest and this bird is farthest from the tree, and this bird is nearest to the tree. Okay, so tick the correct option. Okay.